The Dawning of the Intuitive World. July 23, 2014. Greetings, beloved beings of light. I am Archangel Metatron, overseeing the ascension process of the earth and the souls present from the multi-universal level of the Creator's universe. It is my purpose to guide the ascension process of all. When you devote yourself to your personal ascension, this is an invitation for me to draw close to you, supporting the miraculous and magnificent transformation occurring within your being. Ascension is predominantly within you, rather than outside of you. So I work with the subtle energies of your soul to bring forth greater creator expression and experiences in creative and beautiful ways. In my previous communication with you, I spoke of erasing and dissolving the habit and practice of negative judgment in order to create peace within your being, but also to bring peace to the world. Love will only truly have a space to grow within you and within the world when judgment is eradicated, because judgment encourages us to believe in a world filled with lack of love. When judgment is erased, the realization dawns that love has always been present within your being and the world. You have just been choosing not to see, sense, and acknowledge its tremendous powerful presence. With the disempowerment of judgment, the divine and sacred intuition arises into the space which has been created, ready to guide and assist in your sacred reality. This is a very important step of manifesting the era of love upon the earth. A fresh new world born from shifts in perspective, bringing forth harmony and bliss for all to experience. The dawning of the intuition within each being is a time of great celebration, because to us on the inner planes it symbolizes moving into a space of sacred responsibility for your own reality, creations, and spiritual growth process. Many of you have already been working closely with your intuition for some time now. For those already in connection with their intuition, it is a time to step up your awareness of your intuition, encouraging that radiant presence of wisdom to embody your entire being more fully. The process of building your relationship with your intuition is an ongoing journey. The more trust you place in your intuition, the more fruitful, abundant, and joyous your manifestations and experiences. It is important to allow your intuition to grow, because however strongly you experience your intuition, it can develop 1,000 times more. We can imagine your intuition in alignment with a child's growth. When you first begin to connect with your intuition, its voice, influence, and inspiration is subtle, gentle, soft, maybe even unrecognizable, almost like a baby, in the fact that you cannot truly recognize the character of your intuition or what it is capable of. With trust, faith, belief and focus, gently nurturing and getting to know your intuition, it grows as if into a small child, where you recognize the presence and guidance of your intuition. But at this stage, like a small child, there is so much growth and many journeys of experience to follow. You are still finding your feet and learning to explore, trust, and communicate with your intuition in the same way a small child learns to interact with the world. Gradually your intuition grows to a teenager and adult, meaning that it feels more fully integrated within your being, with you and your intuition working in oneness and ease. Your intuition becomes who you are, so there is no separation, and you are more readily able to accept the full expanse of your intuition as a sacred aspect and guidance of the Creator. This denotes a relationship that has formed through gradual acceptance of the power, knowingness, and sacred wisdom of your intuition. Every person is moving through this process of embodiment of their intuition. Whether your intuition is just arising or maturing, it is an all-knowing source of wisdom which you can place your complete trust into. Your intuition is an expression of your soul and the Creator. It is a manifestation of your divine self connected to all that is the Creator and all the magical sacred qualities of the Creator. It is a guiding light that personally directs you along the most appropriate pathway for you to achieve your greatest potential. So extraordinary is this guidance that at times it may not seem appropriate or too ambitious, but your intuition knows the opportunities available to you and is in truth the Creator speaking to you every moment of your day. Your intuition already guides you and has done so since your birth. It is just that the mind can overshadow your intuition with its louder voice and impact upon your being. Your intuition can flow through your feelings and emotions to contact you, and also imprints its energy through your mind. If the mind is preoccupied, for example with judgment, then the subtleness of your intuition can be lost. This is why dissolving judgment is essential to truly unlocking your intuition and inner space of love, because it encourages you to examine the habits of your mind, creating spaces of peace and greater stillness within your mind. To not think seems inconceivable, but it is possible. Thinking is not always needed when the full presence of the intuition is present, as it will inspire with ideas which you will trust and put into action with ease, thus eliminating somewhat the thought process you may be currently used to. You wouldn't become like a robot but a beautiful, fruitful expression of yourself, the creator. One of the most challenging energies to let go of when working on developing the presence of your intuition is your control. When you exist unaware of your spiritual being, intuition, and all that is the creator, your mind, emotions, and ego hold a tremendous amount of control and importance in creating your reality upon the earth. With the process of awakening to the creator within you, this controlling energy and need for control in order to feel secure must fall away to bring forth the power of the creator. It can seem as if you are surrendering to the wishes of a friend you do not know, and yet the creator is so familiar to you and will only ever treat you in and with love. The transition of moving into your intuitive being is the process of letting go of control, realizing you do not have to plan, govern, manipulate, or rule your reality. Realizing also that you are not alone, you do not have to struggle, suffer, or work hard. When you surrender to the friend within you wishing to guide you, all you need to do is to listen and to act with trust on what you receive. There is no more you need to do in this reality. Life is simple and this is the truth. Life is simple, all you need to do is listen to your intuition and courageously enact that which is guided. Complications and confusion are only caused by not listening to your intuition because you are allowing that essence of control to block your understanding of your intuition. If you are willing to let go of control, which could even be recognized as a limiting thought, then you will discover the divine flow of the creator experiencing and expression, abundance and happiness, in truth all you need and require. Can you imagine if every person on the earth decided to let go of the practice of judgment, to accept the presence of their intuition, and to dissolve the wish to control themselves and others in any way, then peace, harmony, truth, love and bliss would manifest upon the earth. Disagreements, wars, suffering, pain, abuse, and lack would all dissolve because it would not be possible to hold on to these energies, because the actions are not born from love or the sacred nature of the intuition but from judgment and the wish for control. On the earth you may notice the manifestations of judgment and control between people and countries, maybe even within families, but this is only because love has come forth through light workers, and is ushering judgment and control to the forefront to encourage all to notice and release these vibrations that are no longer needed. Hold on to the vision of a world where each person acts and thinks from the love and intuition within them, each person bringing forth sacred expressions of the Creator, because this is the outcome of all you are achieving now. A world of peace, joy, and harmony beginning first within each person present on the earth including you. From My Loving Truth. Archangel Metatron. Channeled through Natalie Glasson. www.omna.org